Example, how to solve the development of lateral surfaces of solid by using AutoCAD software. First, we'll go to AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode and type the command limits. So here, lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then go to zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner of your screen and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the top side and click on first button of the mouse by taking some distance, and then go to offset. Take the distance as 227. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Fillet between these two and also fillet between these two. Then go to zoom window, select this and go to dtext. Type the problem number 193. So dtext, select specify start point, select some start point, take height as 4, rotation angle as 0, type the problem number 193. Then draw the development of the truncated portion of the lateral faces of a pentagonal prism of 20 mm sides of base and 50 mm height, standing vertically with one of its rectangular faces parallel to VP and nearer to it, so as to produce one piece development. The inclined face of the truncated prism is 30 degrees to its axis and passes through the right extreme corner of the top face of the prism. Go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then you select this, then go to polygon, take the number of sides as 5, take edge option. So first point of edge, so take this side, take the distance as 20 mm. Then go to move, select this, move it here, then go to line, draw a horizontal line and go to offset, take the distance as 50, you select this line and offset. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then again go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Now we need to go for line, take int of this at the rate 100 less than, so now it is minus 150. Minus 150, you undo, it is 50 to the vertical. So if it is 50 to the vertical, then to the horizontal is also 30. Then here, if this is 30, then what should be this angle? So if this is 30, so this angle here, this one will also be 30. Then to take at the rate 100 less than, at the rate 100 less than minus 120, it's here. Then this total angle will be equal to dim angular, select between these two, so you're going to get 30 degrees. So here you just give this, then go to fillet between these two and trim, select this as the cutting edge, object to trim as these two, then go to trim, select this and cut it here. Then go to extend, select this line, extend this line till here, then go to break and you erase it. Then go to break, select this, then go to break, select this and break this, then break, select this and break it, and here break this. Then go to select these two, go to CH, go to line weight, make this line weight as 0.8. Then now you just go to line weight display, then go to layer, select this, go to new, click on XY, enter, then click on new, type it as views, click on new, type it as invisible, click on new, type it as section plane, and then click on new axis. Okay, so here then go to sectional plane line weight, make it as 0.05, and then invisible, make it as 0.3, then go to views, make it as 0.5, then say OK, line XY 0.05, 0.13, and say OK, then layer 0, 0.05, then go to views, click on continuous, then then invisible, click on continuous, go to load, type hidden and say OK, and say click on hidden and say OK, then click on new. Here you come down to axis, then click on new, you delete this axis layer. Now click on section plane, click on load, click on ISO dash dot, say OK, click on ISO dash dash, OK, then go to invisible, then you have XY continuous. So all these things are over. Then you just go to this Oregon, go to layer, click on views and say so you just close this layer command, then go to select, go to layer, make this layer as views, then here click on break this first point int of this and say @, then go to zoom window, select between these two, then go to break, select this first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this and say @. Now you select this line, you select this line, you select this line, here you select this line, you make it as layer visible or views, then go to break, select this, break this line till here and say @, then go to zoom previous, select this line, go to layer, makes it as views, then come down to this, then go to zoom window, select this line, you break this line first point int of this and say @, break first point int of this and say @, then go to select between these two, go to layer, click on invisible and take the line weight as 5, then here you make this as 5, this as 10. Then once you get this, you make this layer and this, go to line type, make this as hidden and take this as 10. Once you do that, then go to zoom previous, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, take int of this and draw one more horizontal line here, then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take nearest point on this, draw perpendicular to this, then go to break this line till here, then go to fillet and then go to offset, take the distance as 20, offset, take the distance as 20, 3, 4, 5. Then go to fillet between this line and fillet between these two. Once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and draw a vertical line, take trim between these two, then go to dim aligned, go to DDIM, then go to modify, go to primary units, make it as second decimal point, text you take it as 4, align with the dimension line, centered is above, take the dimension as 3, and then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, make this as offset from the origin as 3, say OK and say close. Then go to dim aligned, select int of this and take int of this. So here this will be 4.32. Then go to dim aligned, take int of this and here take int of this, and here you are going to get 11.30. Then go to dim TED, select this dimension and keep it here. Then dim TED, you select this and keep it here. Then go to dim aligned, then go to DDIM, select modify and go to primary units, make it precision as 0, say OK and say close. Then go to dim aligned, select this, you select this line and take the text, so type 20 and here you keep it. Then go to dim angular, select this line and you select this line and give it as 30 degrees. Then go to dim TED, text edit dimension, you select this and keep it. Once you do that, then we have the dim vertical, select this line, dim vertical, select this line, take the dimension as text, type 50, then you go to dim vertical, take int of this and take int of this, and here you take text, type 50 and then place it wherever you want. Then dim horizontal, take int of this and int of this and you give text, type 20, select this line, place it wherever you want. Then dim horizontal, select object to dimension and go to text, type 200, then select this line and place it. So once you do that, then go to text dt, select this line and mark this as x, you mark this as vp, you mark this as hp and you mark this as y. Then go to select this line, make this layer, make this as xy line. Then go to text, so here you type small letter a, small letter b, small letter c, small letter d, small letter e. Now we go to offset, take the dimension as 4.32, select this line and offset it here. Then you take offset, take 11.30, select this line and offset it here. Then go to break, select this, first point, int of this, say at the rate, then break, first point, int of this and say at the rate. Then go to dim text edit dimension, you take this and from here you erase this, then go to dim horizontal, take int of this and take intersection point of this and you take 4.32. So then go to dim TED, text edit dimension and place it here. Then go to dim horizontal, take int of this and take int of this and take 11.30, dim text edit dimension, you select this and keep it. Once you do that, then go to break, so you have the break on this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you go to line, this is the extreme corner, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this, then perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and take int of this, second point is this, then int of this, here the extreme point is this, then go to line, int of this, then the next point will be line, int of this, and then go to line, take int of this, then go to select this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line, and go to layer, make that layer as views. Then now you go to break, select this line, break first point, int of this and say at the rate, break first point, int of this and say at the rate, then go to break first point, int of this and say at the rate, then you select this line, select this line, select this line, and you select this line, go to layer, make that as views. Once you do that, then go to the text. So here you mark this as small letter P, and here you small letter Q, here small letter R, then you take small letter S, and you small letter T. Then here you take A dash, here B dash, here C dash, and here D dash in bracket, and here E dash in bracket. Once you do that, then you come down to P dash, then Q dash, then R dash, then S dash in bracket, and here T dash in bracket. Then go to 1 dash, so then it becomes 2 dash, then it becomes 3 dash, then it becomes 4 dash in bracket, then it becomes 5 dash in bracket, then it becomes 6 dash. Then here you have 1, you have 6. So this is how you will be able to write this. Then go to the text. Here you mark the caps lock on, A, B, C, D, then E, then A. Similarly, you have P, you have Q, you have R, S, T, and P. Then go to zoom window, select this, go to move, switch off the ortho mode, take move X, you move VP, you move HP, you move Y, you take this line, make that as XY, already there, then go to move, take P, and here you take A, here you take P, here you take B, you take Q, you take C, you take R, then you take D, then you take S, then E, then T. Then here you take 1, then you have 6. Then you go to P dash, then Q dash, then R dash, then S dash, then T dash. Then go to 1 dash, then come down to 6 dash, then go to 1 to 6. Okay. Then here, then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, select this, you make this move, you have 2 dash, you have 3 dash, and you have 4 dash, then you have 5 dash, then 5 dash, then A dash, then B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash, then 2 dash, then 3 dash, then 4 dash, then 5 dash. And here, then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Here you move, make this as A, B, C, D, then E, then A. Here P, then Q, then R, then S, then T, then P. Then here go to the text. So here type development. So then go to zoom previous, then switch off this, then go to this line, make this CH, go to layer, make this as section plane and give this as 0.5. So then escape. So once you do that, now we go for the saving. Go to save, go to appropriate drive, go to AutoCAD, go to development drawing, type P 193 and P 193 and save it. And finally you exit the